Don Noble, been using this machine for 11 years. We got one of the first ones that was ever out there. Had a lot of success with it. This arm, I got bucked off on some concrete. It was all tore up and I couldn't hardly move it. And as you can see, I got movement in it now. And then ripped the bicep off here about 14 years ago. And they didn't send me to physical therapy or anything. And this arm, I couldn't raise any higher than this. Well, I didn't know that they had frozen shoulder on this thing. Didn't know nothing about it. So I suffered with that for about, I'm gonna say around close to 14 years. But after about 2 sessions, I can't even believe the difference. It's unreal. You kind of think it's got to be voodoo, but it's not. It works. I'm using it more now than I did before because it got all this new stuff on it now. You can just about treat it for about anything that you can think of, and some things you can't even think of. Really tickled to death with it, and everybody ought to have one at their house. I guarantee you. You won't believe how good you'll feel when you get done messing with it. That's kind of my story. I can raise my arms up. I always said, don't ask me to be arrested someplace. You put your arms over your head because I couldn't do it, but I can now.